Hello everyone, I am Dilip Kumar. I am a chemical engineering graduate from IIT in Number, passed in 2020. I have got all India rank 20 in GATE Chemical Engineering 2022, and recently I got selected in Indian Oil Corporation Limited as the postal officer. Now, talking about my preparation of the GATE, I purchased a pen drive lecture of the GATE course, which helped me a lot. Like in making notes, like in my case, I was doing a job in preparing also. It saved me a lot of time. Like I did not have to go through all the books. I just watched the lectures and prepared my notes. Like the lectures are very good, the teachers are very good, and they are thorough through all the subjects. Like you can ask the doubts individually, like personally also. So you can say it's a all-in-one package. Apart from that, there is this series also you can join that is a lot. Like you can analyze the solution of the all the questions also. You can like find out weak points and work on that. So overall, it's very good. And apart from all that, apart from the coaching, as an individual, like you should always be motivated and involved in the studies. Like whatever doubt you get, you don't ignore that. You ask the teacher and practice a lot. Like there's only things, revision, practice, and make notes. That helps in the main time of the preparation. Like in the final time, notes helps you a lot. So my message is clear. Just try your best, give your best, all the best. Thank you.